as you can see, we're here at Griots. This weekend we're doing the Northwest Express Rally. So last year I shot the Northwest Express. It's a weekend-long trip, go from Seattle to Portland, back up to Seattle. You hit Maryhill for a whole day, do like time attack up the hill. Last year I got to film it and it was super fun for me to like just be there, not even filming, but the entire time I was just jealous that everybody had their cars and I wasn't able to drive on it. Scott, the guy who organizes the rallies, he offered me a free spot on this rally since I missed out last year.
Beautiful.
We're going?
Hit it.
Okay. 1 gauge. 1 warning. 2 gauge. More gauge. Ignition switch.
Engage. Sorry.
We made it. Pit stop number 1. I'm pretty sure it's just a gas station out at the coast.
You giving out goodies?
Yeah. This Porsche or this Subaru are my favorite cars. Actually, I think the Subaru. And I'm not sure if it's like a natural 22B. I don't think so. But holy crap, is this thing like perfect. Like, what? Bigger than my brakes, and this car probably weighs less than my car. Probably hauls a lot more ass though. Yay! They got hit by the cops, or at least I know Will did. Here we go. It keeps going? Hello. Time for lunch.
RS3, that thing flew by and just a fat backfire. It was so nice.
Do you ever go so fast that you smash a bug on the back of your car? Because of the wagon effect? Right. He did.
That shit's everywhere. Oh, I probably.
This poor lady just tried parking away from everybody. And now there's a car meet next to her.
Yeah, the leader behind us. He's probably gonna pass us. What? What's happening? We went the wrong way.
Yeah, so do we.
So we're gonna go the way we're going. Come up here, make a left, and then hang a left where it says 47 and go towards Mist, Oregon.
And that's where we're going. I went the wrong way and then I turned around and ended up finding the whole group, and apparently they all went the wrong way too. back's just
I know the whole time, and then I was like, I didn't know how fast to go because a lot of times it kept switching to 25. And I've never been on the road, so and everything was bang. So
I know, it was awesome. I started getting some brake fade, so I backed off a little bit.
I know, I was getting a little warm.
Okay.
Anywhere.
Thank you. And a strawberry banana smoothie.
You said sausage and muffins?
Yeah, 6 of them, please.
Oh, is that for me? Thanks. Washington, Oregon. Wow. I think this thing got shot.
A couple times. We weren't just
It's a stick all the way down there.
That turbo no one can hear it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, alright, bud. What would you rate that road, Kyle?
Probably 8 out of 10 with loose gravel.
Damn, that's fair. We're throwing all kinds of rocks at each other. Hey, Bill.
Look at
What?
Shrek Swamp.
Shrek Swamp. So as we're going up that road, the road has quite a bit of loose gravel, and me and my brother kind of chucked some rocks at each other. I haven't found any new ones that I know are new, but there's gotta be some new rock chips on here somewhere. I think this one's new. That one's old, but I don't know. He plastered me. And now I'm just waiting for the car to cool down a little bit. I'm gonna top off the coolant, because I have a slow coolant leak still, so.
Oh, here they come.
And this is all handheld? That's not even a gimbal?
Hey, perfect.
And then you come up and then he passes by.
I want this rock lid. Right here.
Oh. Oh.
That makes me so happy. Dude,
Cool.
that's the first time I've seen the M2 all day.
We're all having lunch before we head up and start running on Maryhill.
You balancing it? Does that cold water feel good on your back? No! The karma.
Karma.
Damn it. Yeah, do you know what that was karma for, Tabby?
Get your head back.
Are you gonna get more of that?
Yeah, I can.
They're getting ready to go up.
Flash you. Sneaky, sneaky. Headlight. No headlight. You can see where she hits her shoe every time she gets out. On a brand new M8. It's not an M8. I was informed it wasn't an M8. I didn't pay attention.
Slap her on. Beautiful.
Sure.
Alright, we saved the best for last.
Holy shit!
How sweaty are your hands?
Very. Oh, wait for Moose to kick in.
254. Coolant good?
Yeah, it's at 205, and then coolant was full, so 205 is the hottest temperature we've had it at, but we also just
Also just ran at the
degrees,
hardest.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how he does.
That looks so sick.
Dude, right there when you were coming up, Brandon.
Perfect. I hope you guys all had a great time as well. All things considered. I hope to see you guys back here next year. Our first award is the But Did You Die award. And there was one car coming up Maryhill that kind of had everyone's attention. It was a what about edge for sure. So David Hills, you're going to take home the But Did You Die award. Where are you at? The Go Jose Hart Award. So this award, Jose, the original Jose, is not the Jose that is on this rally right now. And so the other Jose was arrested on the rally and then got out of jail, bailed himself out, and went along to finish the rally. So going Jose hard, really, I immediately, when I met this Jose over here, thought, oh well, yeah, that's going Jose hard. You know, if you saw that Malibu, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So without further ado, Mr. Jose, come on up here. Now we out.
Last fill up before Dick's. Tabby just had a pee in this and said it's the worst porta potty she's ever been in. Let's see. How bad could it be? Oh. Well, there's a hole. Oh, I can't even breathe. Oh my. Oh. I believe you.
Look who just passed us. Cops! A stater. Just as we're getting ready to leave.
Perfect. We're pulling up to Dick's. We out of here.